Now I'm just gonna dive right in. Really, really good.
Is it possible to eat lunch in the heart of the old city of Jerusalem for just under $2 US? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's go to the old city.
Okay, so now I am in the old city and I have my delicious falafel. I told you I would find it just through Damascus Gate. Just keep walking straight, and when you reach the fork in the road, you ran right into it. Just be sure to get here before sunset because they typically close pretty early and they just sell out of falafel because it's so good. So now I'm just gonna dive right in. The first bite is like the tahini fries. Really, really good. I'm gonna finish this guy up and then I'm gonna get going.
Okay, so for a little bit more than $2, about $2.75 or 10 new Israeli shekels, you get a delicious pita filled with fresh crispy falafel, french fries, an array of salads, some hot sauce if you like it spicy, and of course, some tahini. It's a delicious, quick, traditional lunch that's right in the heart of the city center, making it perfect for if you're coming or going throughout the city. And of course, you can't leave Jerusalem without trying falafel, so this place is a great go-to. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and until the next one, I can't wait to see you next time. See ya!